I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to test the Freefire gameplay in this Iqoo 7 device, as you can see friends. So let's see what is the FPS you can get in this phone, and I'll try to use the third-party FPS meter application as well during this time of our demonstration. So let me try to slightly decrease the brightness. So let me try to show you friends exactly what type of model I'm trying to use. So it is the Iqoo 7 device, as you can see here. So let's see what will be the maximum FPS you can play while using the Free Fire game in this phone. So let me try to quickly open the Play Store. As you can see, I'll try to use the FPS meter. So let me try to start the gameplay right now, and let's see what are the options we'll be getting in the game turbo as well. So if there is any kind of game frame interpolation is there or not, or is there any kind of 4D vibration touch. So all those things I'll try to talk in this entire video friends, so make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know all the results. So let me try to swipe. So as you can see, these are the few options which you got here. So mute, I think there is no yeah, there is game frame interpolation, as you can see friends. That's another good thing. So I can test by using game frame interpolation and without using game frame interpolation. I'll try to do this kind of testings right now, so you'll be able to understand. So let me try to quickly log in with my details. So let me try to quickly select the maximum graphics when I'm trying to play the gameplay. Go to the graphics and I'm trying to select everything to the high, as you can see friends. So the high FPS, as you can see here. So everything is set to the maximum, and let me try to start the match and show you the real-time FPS meter, how much we'll be getting. And I'm using the third-party FPS meter as well. On the left side you can see the graph right now. So let me try to zoom into the FPS meter so you'll be able to focus on the FPS as well meanwhile. So I'm getting around 60 FPS right now, so at the moment while playing the game. So without using any kind of game frame interpolation, still it feels really good and smooth playing the game. So let me try to start the match and show you the results of the real-time statistics, how it will be there. So is the match about to start friends, as you can see. So try to observe the FPS meter on the top, so which we are getting about 60 FPS at the moment. So it should not be a problem friends playing the FIFA game in this Iqoo 7 device. So definitely this phone will be able to handle the game properly. But let's see, will there be any kind of touch issues during the gameplay? So this is what I'll try to focus right now. So not on the FPS meter. So FPS meter anyway you'll be getting about 60 FPS consistently without any kind of problem. And there is no 4D touch option which is present here, so that is another drawback right now. So there is no 4D touch. So overall it feels kind of really good, and in case if you're having any other games in your mind, so make sure to comment below definitely. So in the Mi11X device there's a problem happening with the scope. So whenever you try to use the scope, there used to be a problem friends with the scope. So make sure to comment below friends what are other games you want me to test. Definitely I'll do my testing in terms of the gaming performance, but overall I was getting about solid 60 FPS without any issues. As you can see friends, 59 60 FPS, so not much problem. So let me try to go back and start the match again. So this time while gaming I'll try to use the game frame interpolation option, so which is available here, as you can see. So let's use the 120 FPS as well, so which might boost a little bit kind of smoothness while playing the frames. That is what it means. But the real-time FPS meter, it will remain exactly at 60 FPS, but you'll feel kind of smooth while playing the game. But overall it looks kind of same for me, so there's not much difference happening even if you enable and disable the game frame interpolation at this point. So not much difference is there. So 60 FPS consistently I was getting, so not much issues. And I did turn on the extended RAM capabilities which is present in this phone, so in case if you are thinking of that one as well. There is no frame drops at all while playing the game, so it was really smooth and good. So if you enable the game frame interpolation, maybe you might get a little bit kind of smooth experience while playing. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you want me to do any other kind of gaming review. So definitely I'll try to do the gaming test in this phone, testing whether 120 FPS is supported or not. So right now while playing this for Free Fire game, I didn't feel any kind of issues, but I'll try to do the another testing, which is using the Fortnite gameplay. So testing whether the Fortnite game is supported with the 90 FPS in this phone or not. So that is what I'll try to test in the next upcoming videos. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So friends, there is not much issues happening at the moment, even if you enable game frame interpolation and without using that one as well. So there should not be any kind of problem. So let me need to show you the results. As you can see, friends, 60 FPS I was able to get consistently. Let me need to use the game frame interpolation and start playing the game. So little bit smooth, you can actually feel little bit smooth, the animations and everything. It feels slightly smoother. Let me need to change again. So definitely, friends, that will help the gameplay as well. So let me need to show the real-time FPS, how much I'm getting. 45. Increase to 120 FPS. So right now I'm using the 120 FPS and 60 FPS I'm getting consistently without much problem, as you can see on the top. So this is a quick gameplay, friends, of the testing the FIFA game. So even if you use a game frame interpolation, the FPS count may not increase much, but just a little bit, but not much. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned, and for more interesting comparisons and testings on this phone, which I'm going to do in the next couple of days. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.